My name is Sujong Kim and I'm from South Korea.
My name is Seungmi Baek. I'm from South Korea.
I enjoyed the practice in A330. So we learned about arming and disarming A330 doors to evacuate the passengers in the flight.
I enjoyed the coming down slide, and we are in the pool drawing web drill. It's very good and fun.
Today we are just doing some practice to evacuate passengers in some emergency situations like explosive some case. So yeah, some masts dropped and we have to rescue the passengers in the cabin flight. In Aviation Australia, there's a lot of practical equipment. So if you want to get some practical experience, you have to come here.
Thank you.
Yeah.